Hello everyone, I will be going over the uh, adding a BOLO form validation feature. So here we have our home screen um, with all of the BOLOs, and then here you can add a BOLO and it will take us to the BOLO creation page. So originally you could have not filled in any of the fields and still been able to save a empty BOLO. So I went ahead and created some validation on the BOLO creation page where you must put in at least the date reported, the time reported, the category of the BOLO, and a summary before you can enable the save button. So let me show you. So let's say we just go ahead and put in a category. So let's say kidnapping. We still don't have the ability to click on the save button. So then if we go ahead and put on the date, let's say February 12th, still you cannot save. And let's say we put 4:50 p.m. We still cannot save. It's still not enabled. And finally, the save button gets enabled and you can go ahead and create the new BOLO, which right now the API is taking some time to refresh the page, but it has been created, and that is the demo for the BOLO creation validation. Thank you.